Alex Pereira fired back at Jamahal Hill's comments. Pereira's victory over Kale Roundtree at UFC 307 left many in the MMA community in awe, despite the brutal finish and the fact that Pereira was battling both an injury and an illness. However, Jamahal Hill was unimpressed and was seen in the crowd moments after the finish, pretending to yawn. During the Ariel Helwani show this week, Pereira responded while speaking through a translator, saying, "I'm going to be real honest with you, Ariel. If my performance against Khalil was bad, where does Jamahal rank my performance against him then? How can he even say that? But I'm not gonna keep talking about Jamahal. I have a lot of respect for your show, but I'm on a different level."